อันนี้คือรถที่เราเช่าไปที่เทลยูไรค่ะดูสภาพรถตอนนี้เรามาถึงแอร์พอร์ตเรียบร้อยแล้วนะคะเราก็จะเอารถไปส่งนะคะอันนี้คือแอร์พอร์ตเราก็จะเอากุญแจไปรีเทิร์นแล้วเราก็ไปเช็คบินค่ะถึงแอร์พอร์ตเรียบร้อยแล้วก็จะเดินทางต่อไปที่แดนเวอร์ค่ะ
I guess we did. We took these to the Vikings before. 3.5 months. But they drove.
Strap to tighten. To release, lift up on the buckle. Position your seatbelt tight and low across your hips and ward anytime you are seated. This aircraft is equipped with 6 emergency exits, 2 forward exit doors, 2 rear window exits, and 2 exit doors in the back. Signs overhead, lights on the floor lead you to those exits. If an evacuation is necessary, please follow flight attendant commands and leave everything. In the event of a water evacuation, use the life vest from underneath your seat. Remove the vest only if told to do so. Pull on the load strap to open the container and remove the pouch. Remove the vest from the pouch as shown on the safety information card. Place the vest over your head, wrap the strap around your waist, buckle it in front, and pull to tighten. Once you're outside, pull down on the red tab to inflate the vest. To manually inflate, blow into the tube at your shoulder. Your vest has light that automatically comes on in the water. Please refer to the safety information card for use of a life vest on an infant. Flight attendants will distribute additional vests if needed. We are coming by right now to make sure that your seatbelts are fastened, that your seat back and tray tables are in their full upright and locked position, and all of those carry-on items are underneath the seat in front of you or in the overhead bin, leaving the area around your feet completely clear. Smoking is never allowed on board, including in the lavatories. The use of clean lavatories, the use and charging of electronic cigarettes is prohibited. Federal law prohibits you to tamper with, disable, or destroy any smoke detector in an aircraft lavatory. It's also prohibited to consume any alcohol you may have brought with you on this flight. Federal aviation regulations also require passenger compliance with the light of passenger information signs.
All right, folks, we've been clear for takeoff. Make sure your seatbelts are fully fastened. Enjoy your flight.
seatbelt sign remains on. Please keep the aisles clear of all carry-on items. As stated earlier, the flight attendants will remain seated for the duration of the flight. It is unsafe for us to be up, so it's also unsafe for you to be up. We do have one lavatory in the front, one in the back. Up front, please do not congregate or form a line at any time. If there's anything we can do to make your flight more enjoyable, please let us know. Enjoy your flight.
Southwest Airlines. Enjoy Denver.